go. First order of the day. Yeah, let's just cut me off. Oh, you almost. Ooh. Okay, that's how we're starting the day off. That guy almost cut me off, and that would have been bad. Anyways, first order of the day. It's a 7-Eleven, $8 going 4.5 miles.
Morning. Morning.
Yeah, Coral. Thank you.
Good morning, boss.
You too. Well, that was easy. Pickup and drop off were like less than 5 minutes apart. Next up, we've got a stack, I believe, going to the same person. This is Black Rock Coffee and I think 7-Eleven. $10 going 4.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a great day.
You as well. Okay, yeah, we are going back to that same 7-Eleven. I was wondering where it was going to take me.
Another order?
Another order.
Hey, man, making that money, baby.
That's right.
Do not hate on the game. There you go, Clark.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have a good morning.
I don't think I've ever had that much energy in my life, let alone this early in the morning. We're also doing earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order on that is going to be Mr. Maple Donuts going 5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You as well. Total for that order was $8 and change. Just got the next order. This is Jack in the Box going 3.5 miles.
You have a wonderful day, bro.
Thank you, too.
Not gonna be try, man.
All right. Hand it to customer. Oh, boy. Okay, that last order was a no tip. And it was $9, which is kind of crazy because that just means I was sitting at the restaurant waiting forever. But we got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $17 going 7 miles, 4 items. Oh, this place is not open. Well, that's annoying. I thought we had a good order on our hands. This order's probably trash, but we're taking it because we're already here. Got a McDonald's going 2 miles. 10 likes on this video and I'll wash my car. Total for that order was $5. It was a quick one, so whatever. And we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 3 miles. Ooh, I left this place at the right time because here come the school buses. That's one. Oh, actually, there's a third one coming up. Yeah, I would have been stuck here for who knows how long. Total for that order was $8. Okay, that was a good one. And we got a different Starbucks. This one is going 4 miles.
This one right here.
Thank you.
Of course.
No tip on that one. Total ended up being $4 and change. Next order up is a Taco Bell. This one is $9 going about 5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A. This one is high mileage. This one's going 7.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $8. Ooh, that was terrible. Holy. I feel like I'm always getting orders for this place when I'm right next to it, which I'm not really complaining about because it's almost always ready for me. But we've got a muchas gracias. This is $5 going less than a mile.
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Hi there. Drink here, one?
Caleb?
Yeah, really.
Thank you. Got the next order right away. This is, I think this is Jamba Juice. I want to say it is. But for me, it's saying Jamba Drive. $9 going 5 miles. Thank you. Okay, it's been a while since I've gotten an order, but I'm just gonna call it early because I've got a few errands to run. Current time is 9:32. Current total, we are at 82. And I think I'm just waiting on one tip for that one muchas gracias. So that should bring it up to like 86, 87. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.